Okay guys, this one is going to be an opening review. I did have to go ahead and clip part of this because I tried to tear it with one hand. Didn't work. I tried to tear it with two hands. Didn't work. So yeah, if you get these, make sure you clip this part off. And this part's ziplock, so you're okay. This is Cell pH Balance Mosquito repellent bracelets. Improved formula lasts up to 240 hours. And it does have a resealable. So, hey, if you go outside for a little while and you want to put it back up in here, you can. So that way you do get your 240 hours. Simple to wear, adjustable size for both children and adult. It's 100% natural oil, no sticky sprays. It's DEET free. That's something that a lot of people are very, very peculiar about. And you get 12 pieces with 4 colors inside. Okay. And let's see what the back of this says. All natural ingredients with natural essential oils, lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, and peppermint. One size fits all. Mountain climbing, hiking, camping, in the house, fishing, outdoor play, and I guess that's supposed to be like family get-togethers. You can put it on your hand, around your wrist, around your ankle. High quality, microfiber, convenient to wear, adjustable bracelet links. You can wear it even on a backpack or a baby carrier. No side effects, 100% non-toxic, 10-day protection, store in a bag when not used. Keep out of reach of children. Keep away from fire and electricity. I'm not sure what this would do in electricity. Curious about that one. Avoid eye contact and after exposure, rinse eyes with water. Which is natural with anything that you get. You know, don't want to put chemicals in your eyes. So, I went ahead and cracked this open a little bit. Woo! You can smell it. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Is there still stuff in here? Yeah, my battery's running dead, so I need to make this video quicker. Oh, they're just still coming out. Oh, so you've got several of these in several different colors. So that's really good. If you have picky children like mine, this is not, it's so soft. And the smell is wow. It smells so good. Okay. So I'm going to try to put this on my wrist, one-handed. I wish, yeah, it's not going to work. This should have saved this. Okay, here we go. We're going to rig it up. So excuse the bumpiness. Okay, so and then you just pop it through. Come on, guys. Push it through. Am I not on the spot? I am not on the spot. Would help if you were on the spot, Penny. Okay. There we go. And, of course, I could have gotten it tighter, but since I'm doing the video, I got it with one hand. And you got to get like a really up close. These smell so good. Oh, wow. I love the smell of all the oils in this. Because you don't just, it's not like such a strong, I'm not really fond of the citronella smell. And it's not just that. You get the nice lavender and the eucalyptus oil. And they're so soft. Mosquito season's about out of the way for us in a way. But in the South, guys, we don't really get out of mosquito season until like January. And that still depends. So these are really great. And some of you guys that might be outside smoking turkeys, or if you fry your turkey outside next week, you kind of want to get you some of these so you can be prepared for outside. If you have any lake trips coming up, or if you just know somebody who does a lot of traveling, a lot of outdoors, I would get them this. This right here would last one person a good long time because you get 240 hours per bracelet. And it's not that stinky smell. I love to go outside, but I do not care for the mosquitoes. They're like pterodactyls. And then, of course, with the Zika virus and stuff, everybody's wanting to go and get, you know, prepared. And this is DEET free. I do know that that's a big important thing is you want the sprays that are DEET free, but I hate the sprays. These sprays, I don't like it because it gets a taste in my mouth when I spray, and then they're sticky, and you don't have all that. These are so soft and have no residue. Awesome. Guys, I did receive these for free for my unbiased and honest review, but I'm going to have to get back with you with the link, so make sure you read the description. I was having problems trying to get to the link to get the exact price and stuff before I did my video, and I've already emailed the seller, and I'm waiting on a message back from them, so I will get you the correct link. I had the wrong one down below. Make sure you check. All right, guys. Thanks.